very good morning to you all students. Let's start the class with a beautiful thought. Never make fun of someone who speaks broken English. It means they know another language. Yes, they definitely know another language. So we shouldn't make fun of others. Welcome to grade 8 English grammar class. The topic for today is present continuous tense as well as past continuous tense. And let's see how we can change them in passive voice as well as in active voice. Let's have a quick recap, children, in the previous part. What is active voice? A subject does an action that affects an object. What is passive voice? It is used when the focus is on the action and not on the actor. Now, children, let's move on to the next slide. Seeing for the present continuous tense, what is the tense structure over here to change in the passive or in the active form? The subject plus is or the are as well as am plus the verb, that is with the ing form, plus the object. Secondly, we are seeing subject plus is or am, not plus ving plus object. Not will be used for the negative sentences. We have to make sure of that. The interrogative, we are seeing is or am plus subject plus verb, that is the ing form, plus the object plus your question mark. Now let's quickly have a look at a simple example here. Present continuous in the active or the passive voice. The house is being built. The word over here, the verb which we are using is built at the moment. So in the bracket we can use as is being built at the moment. And now let's see in the case of the present continuous. One more example. She dash bake the bread now. The word is bake, the verb. Children, let's see the sentence in the present continuous tense, just for the active or the passive voice. She is baking the bread now. The verb here is given in the bracket. The verb is bake, and when we are using it in the sentence, it's shown as she is baking. So she is baking. So it's in short form. You could she is baking the bread now. Let's see one more example in the present continuous tense. My husband is reading in bed. So the word here is read. So when we are writing in the present continuous tense, we have to write it as is reading. Let's see one more example here. The car is dash right now. So the verb given over here in the bracket is serviced. So we are going to use it as is being serviced. So the whole sentence is the car is being serviced right now. Let's take one more example, children, in the present continuous tense. The workmen dash the walls now. The verb here is built, which is given in the bracket. So we have to use it in the present continuous tense. So we'll write it as the workmen are building the walls now. Now, children, let's see few sentences in active voice as well as in passive voice. The first one, she is singing a song. A song is being sung by her. She is not singing a song is not being sung by her. Is she singing a song? Is a song being sung by her? They are eating apples. Apples are being eaten by them. You are disturbing me. I am being disturbed by you. Let's quickly move on to the structure of past continuous tense, children. The structure goes like this. The object plus was oblique were plus being plus third form of the verb. The object here, that means the subject of passive, like I, we, they, or any name like Rahul, for example. Was oblique were, that they both are. Let's have a quick recap for the past continuous tense in the active as well as in the passive voice. A few examples are here. First one, I was writing a letter in the active voice, and in the passive voice, a letter was being written by me. Second one, he was cooking food. Food was being cooked by me. Third one, they were playing football. Football was being played by them. Fourth one, she was making cake in the active voice, and in the passive voice, cake was being made by her. Now let's quickly move on to the home assignment, children. Do page number 40 in your grammar textbook. Now, children, let's turn our books on the pages to page number 40 in your Janet grammar textbook. Change the voice of the following sentences. The first one, they were conducting a World Cup tournament. a World Cup tournament. So the answer for this is a World Cup tournament was being conducted by them. Second one, they are whitewashing the house. The house is being whitewashed by them. Third one, they were dropping bombs from the air. The answer for this is bombs were being dropped in the air by them. Fourth one, the teacher is correcting the exercise books. The exercise books is being corrected by the teacher. They were telecasting some interesting programmers. Some interesting programmers were being telecasted by them. The sixth one, I am sending you a birthday gift. The answer for this is a birthday gift is being sent to you by me. Seventh one, they are selling fruits. The answer for this is fruits are being sold by them. Eighth one, my father is constructing a 5-story building. The answer for this is a 5-story building is being constructed by my father. The ninth one, he is making kites. So the answer for this is kites are being made by him. Well children, thank you very much for watching the video. That's all for today's class. God bless you.